Well, students, welcome back once again in chemistry classes. Today, lecture number 4, class 10th chemistry, and we have to discuss the most important numericals related to the pH, pOH, H plus concentration, OH and concentration. So look here. Again, I want to tell all the formulas. You know, the concentration of H plus ion equal 10 to power minus pH. Similarly, the concentration of OH ion equal 10 to power minus pOH. Now, the H plus concentration into OH and concentration equal 10 to power minus 14 at 25 degrees Celsius. Don't forget. Now, pH equal minus log H plus concentration or pH equal minus log S3O ion. S3O plus concentration या pH equal log 1 upon S3O plus concentration. So these all formula are very important for calculating a pH. Similarly, pOH equal log 1 upon OH ion. And now one more thing, pH plus pOH equal 14. So these are most important formula to calculating of the pH या pOH या concentration of H and anything we can easily calculate. So please take a screenshot. Now I am going to start the first question. Have taken a screenshot? Good. The first question. The first question given in the your previous year paper. Calculate the pH of 0.01 mHNO3. Question है calculate the pH and pOH of 0.01 m nitric acid solution. So this is your simple question. But look here how to do. Really it is a very simple. Now in questions given 0.01 m HNO3 means nitric acid. Nitric acid can easily ionized give the H plus ion and NO3 minus ion, proton and nitrate ion. So the concentration of H plus ion in the solution is the 0.01 already given. So this is your value of H plus ion. According to formula, pH equal minus log H plus or pH equal log 1 upon H plus. This is also formula. Or hydronium. So put the value. So pH equal log 1 upon in H plus concentration given 0.01. So 0.01 or pH equal log 100 upon 1. We have to multiply by 100. So we can write 100 upon 1. 100 means 10 to power 2. So pH equal log, we can also write 10 to power 2. You know formula, log m power n equal n log m. Put the value. So pH equal 2 log 10. 2 log 10 and log 10 value is always equal to the 1. So after putting the value 1, so we get pH equal 2. So this is the answer of the pH. It means 0.01 m HNO3 solution having pH equal 2. Now how to calculate the pOH? So look here, second question for. You know relation pH plus pOH equal 14. This is a relation between the pH and pOH. So pOH equal 14 minus pH. So 14 minus pH value given 2. After calculating, the pH value will be 2. So put the value 2. So we get here 12. So this is the value of pOH. So pH equal 2 and pOH equal 14. Clear? And you know, don't forget, the sum of pH and pOH always equal to the 14 at 25 degrees Celsius. So look at 12 and 2, 14. It is correct. So note down the first question. Take a screenshot, students. Okay, second question. Second question given. Question number 2. Calculate the concentration of H plus ion and hydroxide ion of 1 into 10 to power minus 5 m mole per liter solution of acetic acid. And also calculate the pH and pOH of solution. Of solution. Okay. Now this is second question. And really it is a very important for you. Calculate the concentration of H plus ion and OH ion of 1 into 10 to power minus 5 mole per liter solution of acetic acid. So suppose acetic acid I have taken, formula is the CH3COOH. It will give only one H plus ion because this is a. So the concentration of solution is the 1 into 10 to power minus 5 mole per liter or m. M is molarity or mole per liter. So first, you know, acetic acid can ionize, give the H plus ion easily. So acetic acid CH3COOH ionize and give the acetate ion plus H plus ion. The concentration of hydrogen ion similar to the concentration of solution. So 1 into 10 to power minus 5 mole per liter or m. This is a concentration of H plus ion. Now also we have to find out concentration of OH ion. तीनों relation between the H plus and OH ion, H plus into OH ion equal 10 to power minus 14. This is a relation between the H plus ion and OH ion. After putting the value, H plus value given, so we can easily find out the OH ion. So OH ion concentration equal 10 to power minus 14 upon H plus concentration. So put the value. After solving this problem, look carefully. Well, students, okay. Now OH concentration equal 10 to power minus 14 upon H plus concentration 1 into 10 to power minus 5. This minus goes to the upper, it will convert in the positive. So OH ion concentration equal 10 to power minus 14 plus 5 upon 1. So OH ion concentration equal, subtract this value, 10 to power minus 9. This is a OH ion concentration of the solution. It means 1 into 10 to power minus 5 m acetic acid solution having the 10 to power minus 9 mole per liter. Don't forget, it is a very important for you how to calculate the H plus concentration and OH. Already I taught you. Okay, now and also calculate the pH and pOH of the solution. So please take a screenshot first. Okay, student, look at how to calculate the pH and pOH of the above solution. Means same. So pH equal log 1 upon H plus ion. So log 1 upon H plus ion given 10 to power minus 5. Just I solve. The log 10 to power 5, it will become 10 to power 5. So 5 log 10 according to log m power n log m. Log 10 value is the 1. So putting this value, so we get here 5 into 1, it means 5. So the pH of this solution is the 5. The pH of above solution is the 5. Now one more question asking, calculate the pOH. So we know relation between the pH and pH. pH plus POH equal 14. So POH equal 14 minus pH. So 14 minus pH value given 5. So the value will be 9. So the pH value of the above solution is the 9. The pH of above solution is the 5. Concentration of H plus and also I taught each and everything. Okay, please take a screenshot. Okay, next question. Third question. Look here. Question number 3. Question giving a solution has a pH of 11.76. So what is the pH of this solution? What is the pH of this solution? Yani we find out the pH of the solution. So already pH value given. So it is very simple. Now pH plus pOH, this is a relation between the pH and pOH. So pH equal 14 minus pOH. So 14 minus pOH value given 11.76. 11.76. Subtract this value. Its value will be 2.24. This is a value of pH. So this is a pH value. Please note down. Take a screenshot. Okay, student. Next question related to pH. Question number 4. Lemon juice has. Question is the very simple. Lemon juice has a pH 2. Has a pH 2. What is the concentration of H plus and OH ion? H plus and OH ion. Okay, look here. The lemon juice has a pH 2. What is the concentration of H plus ion and OH ion? So look here. How to do this question? So first, lemon juice is the acidic in nature. All the fruits which have sour taste, that is a acid. Lemon juice consisting the citric acid. It consisting the citric acid. In lemon juice, I am going to write this one. In a lemon juice, citric acid is a present. Citric acid is a present. Don't worry, it is a very, very important for you. Citric acid. So due to presence of citric acid, it has sour taste. So look here, the pH already given 2. So asking the question H plus concentration and OH ion. So look here, you know H plus concentration equal 10 to power minus pH. This is a simple formula. So H plus concentration equal 10 to power minus pH given 2. So put the value 2. So H plus concentration equal 0.01 mole per liter, or 10 to power minus 2 mole per liter, or we can also write 10 to power minus 2 m. M is mole per liter. So this is a concentration of hydrogen ion in a lemon juice which having the pH 2. Now in one question more asking OH and concentration. You know H plus concentration and OH and concentration equal 10 to power minus 14. This is also relation between the H plus and the OH ion. So OH and concentration equal 10 to power minus 14 upon H plus concentration. So 10 to power minus 14 upon H plus value given 10 to power minus 2. So after solving द आंसर विल बी 10 to power -14, ये ऊपर जाएगा +2, सो 10 to power -12, 10 to power -12 m. So concentration of OH ion is the 10 to power -12 m, and concentration of hydrogen ion is the 10 to power -2 m of the lemon juice solution which having pH 2. Okay, please take a screenshot. Okay, next question.